Howdy folks. Not exactly a hike today, but I'm taking you for a walk in the little side street neighborhoods of Erie, Pennsylvania during our big Thanksgiving snowstorm. It's whoa, gotta be careful out here. It's Sunday morning. It's been snowing since Friday, early Friday. We got close to 2 feet the first day, and it's been off and on yesterday and today. Not quite as much, but still coming. So yeah, let's take a little walk. I'll show you what it looks like. Took a little spill there, but I'm all right. I'm all geared up, padded up, and there's some thick snow over the slick ice, so I'm being careful though. Let's keep walking. That's slip number 2, and I'm surviving. So all these streets back here have not been touched by a plow at all in a full 2 days of snow, over 2 days, not touched a bit. Every winter, the city of Erie makes a big deal about how prepared they are for winter. And every time we get hit with this first snowstorm, and usually multiple after, this is what happens. The neighborhoods are unplowed for days, and we're stranded. Right now my car is stuck about 3-4 blocks from my house because I tried to go to work, and that's as far as I could make it. But I still can't move it because they haven't plowed my street or the street that it's on, and it's undrivable. So here we are walking and talking. There's a car under there. Most people have dug their cars out by now. But yeah, there's another one. There's a car under there. I'm sure they just have nowhere to go, and they know it's not worth their time. There's another nice car pile. I kind of wish I just left mine where it was and let it get covered, because can't drive it on these streets. Not right now. So part of the reason I'm making this video, in addition just to showing you all this snowstorm we're dealing with, is that I was working on another video, more woods oriented, outdoors wise, where I set up a trail cam out on the shores of Lake Erie the day before the storm. And I was hoping to be able to retrieve it by now, but since I can't go anywhere, I'm kind of stuck, and I can't finish that video until I can go get my trail camera back. So I figured I'd just make this nice short one for now. Well folks, I think I'm on one of the worst streets around. It's extremely deep, and where it's not, it's extremely slippery. Slipped and fell a couple of times, not counting those early ones. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here and get home soon before I actually hurt myself. It is not safe or pleasant out here by any stretch. So thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, share it around, spread the word. Check back soon for some more woodsy, foresty, hiking, camping, whatever kind of content. I am technically outdoors, but I'm in the city, although it's definitely a lot of nature to deal with. So with that being said, I'll see you next time.